All right, we are back. I have colored our cardinal. I've used markers, and one thing I dislike about markers is that it will curl your paper. So when you're done, let it dry, and then be prepared to press it down with a larger book, something heavier. But that will help it. I've had to use some sticky tack just to make sure that it will stay down for this. So go through, color it very neatly, and then go back with your black and outline all of your major lines. I gave a couple of feather details here. And something that always helps the eye travel through your picture is if you will do your markers in a line that follows the shape that you are creating. So here you can see my marker lines as I was coloring in. I don't scribble back and forth. Remember, treat these like a paintbrush. You just do straight lines to follow through in your area, and it actually pulls your eye around the entire picture. So have fun. Can't wait to see what you make.